Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we're going to try to replace a 12-volt lawnmower battery with a Cub Cadet XT1 lawnmower. If you haven't already subscribed now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, and projects. To begin, we're going to make sure the machine is off and remove the key from the ignition switch. We're going to lift the seat to access the battery. The negative battery cable is the first cable to be removed. We are using a 7/16 and a 3/8 wrench to remove the negative battery cable. Next, we will remove the positive battery cable with the same wrenches. This process would be similar for most 12-volt batteries, including lawnmowers and automobiles. Unable to remove the rod with a screwdriver, I used the pliers on the rod and the nut near it. Although unseen in this video, I am wearing eye protection. The battery was then free and it was removed. A multimeter was then used to check the battery voltage. This can be done before removing the battery, but at the time of recording I already knew the battery needed to be replaced. The voltage for this battery is about 10.44 volts. The battery for the Cub Cadet XT1 lawnmower in this video is specified as U1. A new battery was then set into place. As seen, the rod has a lot of tension and potential energy when released. The rod was then set into place using a flathead screwdriver. Using something to hold down the flat part of the rod will help with safety when it is released. Once set into place, a pliers was used to help set the rod securely. A wire brush was used to clean the connectors on the battery cables. The positive battery cable is the first cable to be reinstalled with the 7/16 and 3/8 wrenches. The negative battery cable was then reinstalled using the same wrenches. We're going to check the voltage on this new battery. This new battery has a voltage of 12.65 volts. This should be enough to start the engine. If the battery was reading 12.5 volts or lower, it would probably need a charge or to be replaced. The red cover was moved over the positive battery terminal. With both battery cables connected and the cover over the positive battery terminal, the seat was again moved down. Thank you for watching this video. In another video, we will try DIY tests to check and troubleshoot issues that may come up with 12-volt batteries. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.